Hello, everybody. So by now you've read chapter 2. Not that long today, which was great. Yesterday I feel like it was a little bit longer because we had 2 to read. So today we're going to be doing, I have it up here now, this is your daily check-in in lesson 7 for today. You're going to complete the daily check-in, read chapter 2, which is down here. You have chapter 2 here as well as your book. And I know, Yosu, you don't have a book, so you'll be doing it from the PDF that I posted on Classroom. So then you're going to answer the question on Padlet using the link below. We're going to get into Padlet right now. That's why I figured I would do this quick tutorial on how to use that. This will count as your classwork for today, and you must be detailed. Please, no one-word answers. I want you to at least have 2 sentences, maybe even more than that, because this is going to be a focus question for today based on the chapter. You can do this one of 2 ways. I would love you to use the Padlet. This is right here. But if that's not working and you can't access it for some reason, that's only if you can't access it. You can do just the question on Google Classroom and at least have 2 questions for that. Okay. So here we go. So I'm going to show you the Unbroken chapter 2 Padlet. So here it is. So this is what it looks like when you come up. Let me get rid of that real quick. All right, so here's what it's going to look like. I have one for tomorrow as well, so this will be a good tutorial. I might not have to do one for tomorrow since I'm doing one today. So here it is. So Unbroken chapter 2. It's going to be this question right here. So all you're going to do is you're going to type down at this box at the bottom, and you're going to write, Louis is, I'll get into it in a minute. So here's a question. Rehabilitation is to recover or gain back one's health. So I just gave you the definition for rehabilitation, so you can't tell me that you didn't know what it was. How is Louis rehabilitated? Explain in 2 sentences. So obviously from the chapter, you're going to read this word. So you're going to understand what that means. They're going to actually have that and describe it. So in your sentences here, you're going to say Louis is rehabilitated because, obviously I'm not going to tell you because I want you guys to think for yourselves. So that's how you're going to start it. And then I want you to at least have 2 sentences. So up here it says explain in at least 2 sentences. So how is rehabilitated? Give me evidence from the book. Give me textual evidence from the book to tell me why he is rehabilitated. He recovered from something. I'm not going to go into detail, especially if you didn't read it yet, and you're looking at this before you read. How has he regained or recovered? And then you're going to explain it. Maybe give the explanation in 1 sentence, and then give a sentence, maybe a quote or a textual evidence to prove that he is rehabilitated. Okay, I hope that helps. Again, if you have any questions, you can always message me on Google Classroom, on Remind, anything else. Make sure you turned in your work from yesterday. Yesterday was the questions about intro and chapter 1. So you should have already done that. I know I saw a few people turned it in already as of yesterday. I need more people to do that, though, because there's only like 2 or 3 of you that posted it. So I need you guys to follow along with this book because we will have essays to write on this. We will have a lot of other things to do with this book. So I need you guys to make sure you're following along and actually doing it. I'm not making it hard for you. I have your audiobooks for you to read along with. You have the PDF. You have the book. If worse comes to worse and you're a little lost, let me know and I could refer you to some extra materials for you to look at to help you, especially if you don't know what's going on with World War II, because I know they can be tricky, especially when we're learning about World War I in social studies. Next week we won't be doing that, though. We'll be doing different lessons in social studies, so hopefully that will be better for all of you. All right, so I will talk to you guys later, and hopefully this goes well for all of us. Bye.